Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the Instagram it's a dark theme. So let's get started. First, open your Instagram apps, and after this, in here you just click on the three lines icon at the top, and then after this you can click on the setting. And now you can swipe until you can see theme. You can click on it, and after this, in here you can choose a dark. You can click on this one, click on it, and finish. So that's how to set dark theme on Instagram. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.